Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Vibes. I'm Emma.
And I'm John. And today's lesson is super important for every English learner.
Yes, today we will show you how to improve English fast in a simple, natural, and easy way.
If you want to speak better, read better, write better, or understand English faster, this lesson is for you.
Before we start, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our English lessons.
Ready to learn faster? Let's begin.
Many learners study for months, even years, but still speak slowly or feel confused. Why?
Reason 1. They only study grammar and never practice speaking.
Reason 2, they learn too many words at once and remember nothing.
Reason 3. They do not read, listen, or speak daily.
Today, we will fix all of this with simple steps you can start today.
Step 1. 10 minutes of reading.
Choose simple reading, short stories, small paragraphs, or easy articles.
Read out loud. This helps you with speaking and pronunciation.
Do not rush. Read slowly.
Example. Read one small paragraph, then read it again more clearly.
When you read every day, your brain gets familiar with sentence structure.
Step 2. 10 minutes of listening.
Listen to simple English, short videos, podcasts, kids' stories, English Vibes lessons.
The more you listen, the faster you understand English in real life.
Listen to one small clip 2 or 3 times. Each time, you understand more.
Step 3. 10 minutes of speaking.
Yes, you must speak. Without speaking, English will always be slow.
You can speak with a friend, a language partner, or even yourself.
Practice simple sentences. I wake up at. I like to eat. I want to learn.
Speak with confidence. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes help you grow. Step 4. Writing 10 minutes.
Write 5 to 10 sentences every day.
You can write about your day, your plans, your feelings, what you learned.
Writing helps you remember vocabulary and grammar much faster.
Step 5. Learn 5 words a day.
Not 20 words, not 50 words, only 5 words.
Because 5 words daily equals 150 words a month.
Learn them, use them, speak them, write them.
Small steps equal big results.
Instead of memorizing grammar rules, use English in real situations.
Practice topics like introducing yourself, talking about food, describing your day, giving opinions, speaking about hobbies.
Real topics improve your speaking fast because you use English naturally.
Example conversation.
I usually wake up early. What about you?
I wake up a little late, but I study English in the morning.
See? Simple and natural.
This is the fastest way to learn English.
Step 1. Listen to a sentence.
Step 2. Read the same sentence.
Step 3. Speak the sentence.
Step 4. Repeat tomorrow.
Your brain gets stronger with repetition.
Example sentence. I want to improve my English.
Listen.
Read.
Speak.
Repeat.
Do this daily, and your English will grow fast.
Common mistakes that slow you down.
Mistake 1. Waiting to be perfect before speaking.
Mistake 2. Learning too many grammar rules.
Mistake 3. Translating everything into your first language.
Mistake 4. Studying once a week instead of daily.
Mistake 5. Fear of making mistakes.
Please remember, mistakes mean you are learning.
Try this for 7 days.
Day 1, read 10 minutes.
Day 2. Listen 10 minutes.
Day 3, speak 10 minutes.
Day 4. Write 10 minutes.
Day 5, learn 5 new words.
Day 6. Repeat all steps.
Day 7, review everything.
You will notice a big difference in your English.
Today we learned
Daily practice method.
how to build real English,
Speaking confidence.
common mistakes.
A 7-day challenge.
Follow these steps and your English will improve fast.
Thank you for watching English Vibes. If this lesson helped you, please like the video.
Subscribe and click the bell icon for more easy English lessons.
Now tell us in the comments, what is one thing you will do today to improve your English fast? Thanks for watching English Vibes. See you in the next lesson.